As a symbol of human creativity and the pursuit of knowledge, the art of astrology has existed for thousands of years and continues to evolve. From the stars in the night sky to the positions of planets and celestial elements, astrology has changed and expanded how we understand life and destiny. Today, on the Duy Magi YouTube channel, we will explore a new form of astrology called Multiverse Astrology, and why it's considered a breakthrough in this field. The concept of many universes existing simultaneously has piqued human curiosity for many decades. Similarly, multiverse astrology studies and explores the power of astrology across various dimensions in different astrological universes. It doesn't limit itself to understanding life and destiny on a single star map in one dimension. Instead, it opens up various aspects, creating diversity and richness in understanding people and their destinies. One of the biggest challenges of traditional astrology is its use of a single dimension to analyze the positions of planets and zodiac signs. However, this approach has limitations when it comes to making accurate predictions. A scientific experiment titled, A Double-Blind Test of Astrology, published in the scientific journal Nature in 1985, affirmed this. It gathered 28 famous astrologers to predict the personalities of volunteers, and the results showed that traditional astrologers could only predict correctly about 30% of the time. This raised significant questions about the accuracy and effectiveness of traditional astrology. The key to enhancing the accuracy of astrology lies in exploring new dimensions of space. In fact, the most exceptional astrologers, those who were ahead of their time in human history, have used multidimensional space. For example, Benjamin Franklin, one of the founding fathers of the United States, used 4 dimensions of space, in 2 astrological universes, to select the date for the signing of the Declaration of Independence, giving birth to the United States. He also chose the date for the adoption of the first U.S. Constitution. History has proven that the United States is now the world's most powerful nation. Similarly, legendary stock market investor William Delbert Gann also applied astrology in multiple dimensions of space in the geocentric universe and heliocentric universe to predict stock market fluctuations and achieve tremendous success. Based on years of research, multiverse astrology has identified the existence of 6 significant dimensions of space in 2 astrological universes, the geocentric universe and the heliocentric universe. The geocentric universe, formed by fixing the Earth's position at the center and establishing coordinates for other planets, contains various dimensions, with the most common being the geocentric zodiac 12 dimension, formed by dividing the circle into 12 equal parts. This is the dimension most Western astrologers use, and it's where most people typically stop. However, through practice and research, astrologer Duy Magi realized the existence of 2 other crucial dimensions within the geocentric universe. First is the geocentric zodiac 7 dimension, created by dividing the circle into 7 equal parts. These 2 dimensions, geocentric zodiac 7 dimension 12 and geocentric zodiac 7 dimension 7, examine the astrological influence when celestial bodies move horizontally. However, planets also move vertically, which gave rise to the creation of the geocentric declination dimension within the geocentric universe. In addition to the geocentric universe, we also have the heliocentric universe in astrology. The existence of the heliocentric universe was confirmed when astronomers discovered that the Sun is the center of our solar system. In this universe, we determine the motion coordinates of planets by using the Sun as a reference point at the center. Similar to the geocentric universe, the heliocentric universe also comprises 3 important dimensions: heliocentric zodiac 12, heliocentric zodiac 7, and heliocentric latitude. These dimensions play a vital role in astrology analysis. Using these 6 dimensions in 2 astrological universes greatly enhances the accuracy of multiverse astrology in the process of interpretation and analysis, providing clear and highly reliable advice to astrology students and clients who use astrological consultation services. Multiverse astrology has a distinct advantage in using multiple planets during astrological interpretation and prediction. While traditional astrology typically involves only a limited number of planets, often around 10, multiverse astrology uses a considerably larger number of planets for analysis. Sometimes, multiverse astrology employs over 60 planets in its analysis. Each planet contributes to a deeper understanding of people's lives and destinies. In ancient times, people could only see 7 planets with the naked eye for use in astrology, including the Sun, the Moon, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. This limitation posed many constraints in the practice of astrology. Later, with the advent of telescopes, astronomy discovered Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. Knowledgeable astrologers had the awareness to incorporate these 3 new planets into their astrological systems. Nevertheless, most astrological communities stopped at this point. However, exceptional astrologers who were ahead of their time understood that a more comprehensive planetary system was needed to perfect astrology. Even in the 1920s, Uranian astrologers proposed the existence of hypothetical planets with names like Cupido, Hades, Zeus, Kronos, Apollon, Vulcanus, Poseidon, and more. Today, modern astronomy has revealed the existence of over 600,000 celestial bodies within our solar system. Multiverse astrology continuously explores these new celestial bodies and integrates them into its analysis and interpretation processes to enhance the accuracy of understanding human lives and destinies. Currently, Multiverse Astrology is conducting research and incorporating many new planets and minor celestial bodies into its system. Notable among these are the planets within the trans-Neptunian region, such as Prometheus, Ceto, Albion, Scylla Nunum, and the Centaur group of minor celestial bodies, including Nessus, Pholus, Amycus, Pelion, and more. Let's compare 2 astrology charts below, both for a person born on January 1, 1990, at 12 p.m. in Vietnam. The first one is a traditional natal chart with the zodiac signs. As you can see, it looks quite simple with fewer connecting lines. Now, let's switch to a similar natal chart, but using more planets from Multiverse Astrology. As you can see, the star chart becomes more intricate when incorporating multiple planets. This complexity reflects the intricacies of the individual psyche. This is known as the geocentric zodiac 12 chart in the geocentric universe. But as mentioned earlier, Multiverse Astrology utilizes 6 dimensions, corresponding to 6 charts. Therefore, there are still 5 secret star charts for the person born on January 1, 1990. First is the geocentric zodiac 7 chart in the geocentric universe. Next is the geocentric declination chart in the geocentric universe. Now, we will move to the heliocentric universe. First is the heliocentric zodiac 12 chart in the heliocentric universe. Next is the heliocentric zodiac 7 chart in the heliocentric universe. And finally, the heliocentric latitude chart in the heliocentric universe. It's thanks to the use of multiple planets in the consultation process that Duy Magi has received numerous positive feedback from customers about the accuracy of the consultations and interpretations. The next outstanding point of Multiverse Astrology is its ability to operate accurately with almost no need for exact birth time data. Traditional astrology, on the other hand, typically requires precise birth times to function. After researching thousands of real cases, Multiverse Astrology has developed an approach that doesn't rely on birth times. This significantly increases its practicality because birth time data is not always available. The combination of multiple dimensions and numerous planets ensures the accuracy of interpretations and consultations without the necessity of knowing the exact birth time. For instance, if you are contemplating choosing a business partner and are hesitant to inquire about the birth times of each person, traditional forms of astrology would be of little help due to the lack of birth time data. However, Multiverse Astrology can thoroughly analyze the compatibility between you and each candidate and accurately read their nature based solely on their date of birth. Thus, Multiverse Astrology easily provides you with answers about who truly suits you. Multiverse Astrology is a form of astrology based on scientific research, free from the influence of mythology or belief systems. Common astrology often leans on mythological associations or randomly assigns keywords to planets and other celestial elements. For example, it may suggest that the celestial body Chiron represents an unhealable wound because, in mythology, the character Chiron could not heal his own wound. In contrast, Multiverse Astrology consistently conducts research on the keywords of planets based on scientific standards. It starts with forming initial hypotheses and then subjecting these hypotheses to thorough testing. Only hypotheses that demonstrate accuracy levels of 90% or higher are integrated into the system, ensuring the precision and scientific credibility of multiverse astrology. Furthermore, as a consequence of its scientific basis, multiverse astrology offers logical, specific, and clear interpretations, free from ambiguity. This approach allows clients to understand the advice provided by multiverse astrology, even without prior knowledge of astrology. The final strength of multiverse astrology is its focus on continuous research and development. It is not a static system but one that is constantly improving and expanding its knowledge of the universe and human beings. Multiverse astrology continually explores new celestial bodies, new dimensions, new astrological universes from a scientific perspective, and integrates this new knowledge into its system to enhance accuracy and real-world applicability. In conclusion, multiverse astrology marks a significant advancement in the field of astrology. It not only provides a rich and diverse perspective on destiny and life, but also leverages science and research to ensure accuracy. The continuous development and adaptability of multiverse astrology allow it to exist and evolve in the future, opening up new opportunities for understanding life. If you want to learn about multiverse astrology, please subscribe to this Duy Magi YouTube channel. I will continue to release videos to teach people about this amazing astrology system. If you don't want to wait and prefer to learn directly from me, you can sign up for my astrology classes using the link below. And if you feel impatient to learn, you can sign up for my multiverse astrology consultation services at the link provided in the description. Thank you all very much, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.